Hi, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sync Govee lights together. But before we start, hurry up and check out these offers on this video. So let's get started. So you're looking for a way to sync your Govee lights together. Well, you need a specific app, and also you need to set it up inside that app. Well, first things first, you want to open up Google Play Store here and basically search for Govee Home. Now you want to go install this on your device, and once you have this installed, let's go and click on Open. Now, if this is the first time that you're opening up the app here, you need to create your account. So if you haven't created your account yet, go ahead and create one. And once you've created, this is what you should be seeing on your screen. Now, in order for us to control lights together, what you need to do first is you want to add all your lights together in here. So I'm assuming you already did that if you're already using the Govee Home here. But if not, you can go and just click on the plus button at the top right here, and just click on the Bluetooth button at the top right here, and basically it will scan for nearby devices in your area, and that will basically automatically allow you to pair that device or assign that device into your Govee account here, and that should allow you to start syncing them together. But how do you exactly sync them together if you already added those lights inside your account? Well, you need to access the features of the app itself. So you want to go and just click on the circle button that has like the features or like the circle thing around on it. It's kind of weird icon, but yeah. So you want to go access that just next to the home icon here. Now at the top right, you should see a bunch of squares. So you want to go and just click or press on it, and you should be able to see the group option at the top right. So go and just press on it. Now what we need to do is you want to go and just click on the create button here. And basically, you could go and just basically use the same model group control or the basic group control. Now, depending on what you want to achieve here, like for same model group control, you can simultaneously control the lights of the same model to achieve the same lighting effects in the space. Now, basic control group here basically simultaneously control different devices such as switch and lights. So basically for different devices, if you want to group them together and if you want to control them. But again, if you have like basically same lights here, you should be able to pair them together, specifically if you want to use your lights. So you go and just click on same model group control here for lights, and basically just follow the on-screen steps here. Obviously, you want to go and just pair your devices first, and you want to go and select your devices that you want to pair in here. But once you've added them, you can go and just basically start controlling them, assign whatever you want, define a few things if you want to add like specific auto runs or how they react in certain situations or in certain times. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.